What's up, guys? Today's the day we take the engine out of Crusty. Hopefully the weather cooperates. There's a slight chance of rain today, as in like 50 to 60%. So we might have to just work through the rain. Be like Lieutenant Dan. First thing I'm gonna do is drain the antifreeze and start taking all the wires off this front clip, like my fuse box here. Undo all these wires over there. Take the battery out. Alright, Clay got his truck tuned up.
It's dirty, don't put it in there.
That's what I said.
When you get on it, hell no, my black truck's louder than
Clay thinks it's too loud.
that. That sounds good, though.
Yeah.
Yeah, that sounds good.
Yeah. There goes Clay again. But got me a new gazebo. We're gonna put it up just in case it starts raining. My last gazebo folded up like a taco in a thunderstorm. It's in one of my other videos. But I bought me a brand new one.
I'm ready.
Alright, we got the front clip off. And I'm just starting to take all the accessories off, the wiring harness. We got the exhaust off of here. Drop down right there. Alright, we got all the front accessories off. Still working on getting this harness out of there. And then I got my shifter linkage I got to undo and take the drive shaft out. I'm going to pull the transmission out with the engine. So yeah, getting there a little at a time. Alright, we're working on getting the harmonic balancer off there. Motor mounts. And I think that's pretty much it. Gotta take this valley cover off and put the lift plate on there. We'll be ready to pull her on out of there. Alright, we're pretty much ready to pull this thing out. I just gotta put together my crappy old engine puller with the bent leg.
And on a slope.
And it's sloped right here, so
A rough surface.
we're probably just gonna have to all stand on one side. And I don't know.
I don't know. We'll figure it out.
Yeah, we'll figure it out. Alright, we got her out of there. So now we just gotta pop the transmission off and tear it down. We'll be ready to go off to get rebuilt. Alright, we got her tore down, get ready to load it in my truck here. I'll show y'all where it was rusted there. All that's pitted in. Of course, it's a lot better than it was where I had it running. I drove it probably, I don't know, 20, 25, 30 miles estimated, I don't know. But it seemed like it was doing all right, but I didn't want to build it, put the cam and stuff in it with that in there, so. All right, guys, thanks to my brother and Clay for helping. I appreciate it, and thanks for everybody who watches and subscribes. I appreciate y'all too. And I guess that's it for this one. Till next time. See you.